Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Anwar. This is a quick video how to configure DHCP server in Cisco router. So let's have a look. So to do the configuration, first we will take one router. So I'm taking Cisco 2901. I will be take two switch. We will take some end user device. We will take one server. Let's connect all the devices to the switch. Okay, so let's go to the router that I will show you how to configure DHCP server in Cisco router. Let's go to CLI. User mode, privilege mode. Here we need to go to do the configuration, we need to go to global configuration mode. To go global configuration mode, put configuration terminal. Yes, before that our IP address will be 2.68.1/24.0. Select interface 0/0 IP address 192. Need to assign the IP address in this interface 168.1.1. Put the subnet mask 255.255.255.0. So as we enter this interface, so we need to make the interface is up. Now the interface is down. It shows the red mark. So once it up, the color will be green. So to make the interface up, we will be use one command, no shut. So look, status is showing that line protocol on interfaces gigabit Ethernet 0/0 change state to up. So now it is up, before it is down. Okay, so let's go to DHCP server configuration. We will configure CP server. IP DHCP full IT. This is the name of this DHCP full. You can put whatever you want. So for now I am putting this DHCP server name IT. Okay. Now need to input the network. So our network address is 192.168.1.0. Network, the network address 68.1.0. We need to input the subnet also, 255.255.255.0. Now we need to declare the default router address. Input the IP address what we inputted before in this interface, the IP address that we need to input as a default router. So our IP addresses is 192.168.1.1. Okay, let's input the DNS server. We will use DNS server is a Google DNS server, the default DNS server that I will use, 8.8.8.8. I need to exit. Okay. Here I will show you within this DHCP range we will exclude some IP address that we will keep for our server or our printer. Whatever we need, we will reserve some IP address from out of these IP ranges. So the command is IP DHCP exclude address 192.168.1.2 from this address to 2.168.1.20. So from IP address 192.168.1.2 to 192.168.1.20. This range we are reserving for to assign a static IP to the server or printer or IP phone. The configuration is done. So we will be moved to privileged mode. To go to privileged mode, just the command is exit. And now to write the command, input WR and press enter. Then the configuration will be set. So let's go to the user computers to check the DHCP IP is obtaining or not. Go to the IP configuration and select DHCP, and it will send the request to the router to get the DHCP address. Look, it shows that DHCP request successful and one IP address obtained from the router, and that is started from 21. Remember that at the time of doing the configuration we have reserved some IP address, and after the reserved address it is obtaining the IP addresses. So let's try other device. It is sending request to the router. Yes, it also successfully obtained IP address from the router, and let's go to the two devices. It is sending request to the router and it also obtained IP address from DHCP pool. Sending the request to the router. Yes, it is also obtained. So in the server we will input the static IP address, and then we will check that within this network it is working or not. So our reserved IP address what we kept for static IP, the IP is 192.168.1.3 and the gateway is 192.168.1.1. The DNS server is 8.8.8.8. Okay, so let's try the network is working or not. So I will be send one PDU, ICMP PDU from server to PC1. It shows that it's successfully delivered. Okay, let's do the ping from this computer to server. What? That reaching or not? So yes, it is. Server IP address is 3 and we have sent. Yes, it is reaching. Okay, let's try the from the other computer that is reaching or not. Yes. So just go back to the router and let's have a look. Let's have a look in the router where we configure the DHCP server, that what are the IP address assigned to the end device. So to see this, we will use one command, show IP DHCP binding, then click enter. So it shows that IP address assigned from 192.168.1.21 to 24, these 4 devices, and it's showing which IP address assigned in which MAC address. So that's all about today, and I will be back again with a new tutorial. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.